Robots flopped in the world's first humanoid half marathon. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavus, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome Dewald. This is Saturday, April 26, 2025. In Beijing, only 4 out of 21 robots finished the half marathon, revealing how much development is still needed in robotics. Meanwhile, physical intelligence's Pi, 0.5 robot tackled tasks in unfamiliar homes with impressive adaptability. A Chinese startup, Hypershell, launched an AI-powered exoskeleton that boosts strength by 30% and reduces strain, costing $799. A tiny robot inspired by roundworms can jump 10 feet high in just a fraction of a second. Japan successfully tested a drone system that can safely trigger and guide lightning strikes, potentially preventing billion-dollar damages. China unveiled Morning, a humanoid sales consultant robot capable of showroom tours and customer interactions. Innovations include flying drones for skyscraper construction, robotic surgery systems approved for England's NHS, and VR-controlled humanoids boosting factory safety in the UK. Netflix's chatty robot COSMO, designed for emotional expression, took its first steps thanks to UCLA Robotics Lab. Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus faces rare Earth export delays, and ABB plans a spinoff of its robotics division by mid-2026. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome Dewald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI Minute. Give this video a like and share your thoughts below.